What's up, everybody? It's me, the boy, Seabreeze. And today,
Hey there!
we're playing Bone Lab. And we're just testing out these very, very good weapons. Come on, Ford. Hey, Ford, open your mouth. Not in a homophobic, not in a homosexual way. Dang! Okay, that's a good weapon there. Give me that. Give me the weapon. I'll leave this. Okay, Ford, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Why is it not working? My God.
Hello?
Oh no. The Mafia. I forgot to pay. They want their very good sugar back, if you know what I mean. I ain't going out on a fight. Oh my God, there's too many of them. More of them keep on spawning in. No, it's not.
Haha!
Well, that was review with Wolf Guy of good guns. Remember, don't get caught with the Mafia, and yeah, about your sugar problem. Okay, that was review with Wolf. Have a good day, people, and bye.